Follow these steps to fix can't delete or uninstall apps on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Screen Time. Now navigate to the option Content and Privacy Restriction. Now click on the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Here you're gonna find two sections. Under Store Purchases and Redownloads, you'll find the option Deleting Apps. Click on that and check in for the option Allow. In case you have already checked in for the option Allow, set it to Don't Allow, wait for a few minutes and then again check in for the option Allow. Now hit back. Once you're in this page, click on the option App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now head over to the option App Clips. Check in for the option Allow. Once you do that, head back. Now toggle off for the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now I can close this. Now head towards any of the app that you want to delete. Press and hold on the app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, and click on Delete. The app will be deleted. So this is how you can fix can't delete or uninstall apps on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.